Here's some Florence Nightingale trivia. Subscribe. What profession is Florence Nightingale known for? Is it A, teaching, B, administration, C, engineering, or D, nursing? The correct answer is D, nursing. Which war did Florence Nightingale serve in? Is it A, American Civil War, B, Crimean War, C, World War I, or D, Napoleonic Wars? The correct answer is B, Crimean War. What is the title of Florence Nightingale's famous book? Is it A, Medical Practices, B, Nursing Theories, C, Notes on Nursing, or D, Notes on Care? The correct answer is C, Notes on Nursing. In which year was Florence Nightingale born? Is it A, 1820, B, 1835, C, 1840, or D, 1805? The correct answer is A, 1820. In what year did Florence Nightingale die? Is it A, 1898, B, 1925, C, 1910, or D, 1935? The correct answer is C, 1910. Florence Nightingale is often called the founder of what? Is it A, social work, B, psychiatric care, C, home economics, or D, modern nursing? The correct answer is modern nursing. Which hospital did she famously improve? Is it A, Scutari Hospital, B, Brompton Hospital, C, St. Thomas Hospital, or D, Johns Hopkins Hospital? The correct answer is A, Scutari Hospital. What nickname was Florence Nightingale given? Is it A, Queen of Hearts, B, Mother of Nursing, C, Angel of Mercy, or D, Lady with the Lamp? The correct answer is D, Lady with the Lamp. What method did Nightingale use for patient care? Is it A, experimental trials, B, statistical analysis, C, case studies, or D, theories of care? The correct answer is B, statistical analysis. What type of barracks did Nightingale reform? Is it A, prison cells, B, civilian dormitories, C, military barracks, or D, factory shelters? The correct answer is C, military barracks. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.